Pato siya na dito subik itong ikuan, atong isulod. Kuasa, tuloy. Ako rin, kaya akong ipan, ipan sudan sa lisod. Sige na. Kaya ito ni mong agulog nga. Okay. This is the seeds. Oh. This one, I make steam. And then eat. Oh, yummy. Alay ah. Dili, way. Sudanan sa silisod ito oh. Ayun na. Wait. Wait. Ada rin. Come. Oh, this is the jackfruit seeds. So, this one making steam. Then very yummy. Keep the, what is this? The jackfruit seeds. No need to planting this one because already have many tree this one, but not yet fruiting.